I realized that Mazhar Hussain is not just a doctor that plucks hair into you, he's a true artist. My name is Michael Melby. I'm a portrait painter and I live in Denmark.
मेरा नाम तारिक फारूक है.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Long.
मेरा नाम अहमद कमाल है और मैं एक टेलीकॉम प्रोफेशनल हूँ.
My name is Gordon Albert. I'm 42 years old. I live in Hamburg.
I had a great experience with Dr.MazharHussain.
I've been losing my hair for quite a while and I'm a hairdresser.
So I went on the internet and
Dr. Hussain, this is my hair clinic in Islamabad.
here you can very clearly see where the old hairline was.
मार्च 2018 में मैंने उनसे सर्जरी करवाई.
So finally, I'm here in the surgery room and the surgery is about to start.
The transplant was 10 hours. It felt like it went by in a flash.
I'm very grateful to the team. Dr. साहब have बहुत ज़बरदस्त प्रोफेशनल लोग हैं.
I would recommend all of you to come here and अगर आपकी इस तरह की कोई भी treatment है.
That I have my hair back now gives me my self-confidence. It gives me back something what is for me, what was missing.
I realized that Mazhar Hussain is not just a doctor that plucks hair into you, he's a true artist.